Good morning everyone. Basically in this video we are going to discuss related the athetosis. And athetosis basically it is a movement disorder. Let's discuss what is athetosis. So the definition is it is characterized by slow involuntary twisting and worm like movement, can be unilateral or bilateral. So basically it is this slow and involuntary movement comparison to chorea, that is fast movement, and it can be unilateral or bilateral. That means it might be present at the one limb also or on the both side also. It is more seen on the distal rather than the proximal, and lesion in brain, that is corpus striatum. The lesion in the brain that present at the corpus striatum. So if there is any injury or the lesion which is present at the corpus striatum, that might lead to the athetosis. Now, athetosis is usually seen in fingers, toes, feet, and hands, and in some cases, it might be involve arms, legs, neck, and tongue. So basically, athetosis is more seen at the distal extremity rather than the proximal, so it is more common at the finger, toe, foot, and hands. Etiology. So athetosis is usually congenital or at the result of perinatal injury to the basal ganglia and may be present in association with the cerebral palsy. If the child has cerebral palsy, in that child also athetosis is might be present, and if any perinatal injury occur during congenital, so that also lead to the athetosis. Some patients have athetosis plus chorea called as chorioathetosis. In the combination of the chorea and athetosis that known as the chorioathetosis. It's due to asphyxia, neonatal jaundice and thalamic stroke. So these are the etiology for the chorioathetosis. Now the sign and symptoms of athetosis. So imbalance in muscle tone, એટલે કે મસલ ટોન જે છે in the resting position જે પણ મસલમાં ટેન્શન છે that is muscle tone, normal muscle tone, but એ શું થઈ જશે imbalance in athetosis patient. Hyperextension of fingers and wrist and return to flex position combination with rotatory movements of extremities. એટલે કે હેન્ડમાં કેવી મૂવમેન્ટ થશે, ફિંગર્સમાં કે પહેલાં એક્સટેન્શન થશે પછી રિટર્ન ફ્લેક્શનમાં આવશે અને અગેન આખું હેન્ડનું રોટેશન ટાઈપ મૂવમેન્ટ થશે એક્સ્ટ્રીમિટીમાં. So this type of movement is basically present in athetosis patient associated with hypertonia or hypotonia. Next is it is might be generalized or unilateral, એટલે કે આખી બોડીમાં પણ જોવા મળે અથવા તો કોઈ એક એક્સ્ટ્રીમિટીમાં પણ જોવા મળી શકે. The medical management is haloperidol drug, diazepam and tetrabenazine. Basically the haloperidol drug that is used for the treatment of psychotic any કોઈ પણ condition હોય તો એમાં use થાય છે. So it is basically the antipsychotic drug, and it is used in the athetosis because it rebalances the dopamine level. So that's why it is used in athetosis treatment. Second drug is diazepam. So basically diazepam it gives the symptomatic treatment, and it used to relieve basically for the anxiety, muscle spasm and in the seizures patient. So the diazepam is used for the treatment of anxiety, muscle spasm and seizures. Third is tetrabenazine, which is basically used for the symptomatic treatment of the athetosis. So these are three drugs which is mostly used in athetosis patient. Now the most important is difference between chorea and athetosis. So basically the first difference is according to the speed of movement. So the fast speed of movement is seen in the chorea patient, and comparison to that the slow movement is present in athetosis patient. Second is dancing like movement present in chorea patient, and writhing like movement is present in athetosis patient. The location wise बात करिए तो proximal or distal in the both extremities the chorea is might be present, but the athetosis is mostly present in distal muscle, and in proximal muscle it present but in rare condition. So this is about the basic difference between chorea and athetosis. થેન્ક્સ ફોર વોચિંગ.